Hi everyone, welcome to our C programming class. In this session, we will explore one of the most essential topics, basic data types in C. Every program we write in a C deals with data, numbers, characters, or even logical values. To handle these data correctly, C provides various data types. Let's dive in and understand what they are and how they work. What is a data type? A data type tells the compiler what kind of a data variable will store and how much memory it needs to store that data. So when we declare a variable, its data type defines both its size and the operations that can be performed on it. For example, int age equal 20. Here the data type int means the variable age will store an integer value such as 10, 25 or -3. Categories of data types in C. C language has three main categories of data types: primary or basic data types, derived data types, and user-defined data types. In this lesson, we will focus on the primary data types as they form the foundation of all others. Here's a list of primary data types in C. Let's go through them one by one. Int meaning integer data type, stores integers, whole numbers, and its size is approximate 4 bytes. Example, int age equal 25. Float data type stores decimal numbers with single precision. Size is around 4 bytes. Float temperature, which is equal to 36.5. Double data type stores decimal numbers with double precision. Size is around 8 bytes. Double pi equal 3.141592. Here it has a 6 decimal points and its size is around 8 bytes, which is a double precision data type. Character data type, as in CHAR, stores a single character which is around 1 byte, written as car grade equal A, which is given inside a single quotation. There is also one void, represents no value, so it has no size, mostly used in functions like void main. Let's understand each in detail. Integer, used for storing whole numbers, both positive and negative. Example, int count equal 100. It usually occupies 4 bytes of memory. Float, floating point, used to store fractional or decimal values with single precision. Example, float price equal 99.99. Takes about 4 bytes of memory. Double precision float, similar to float but stores larger and more precise decimal numbers. Example, double distance equal 12345.6789. Takes about 8 bytes. Char, as in character, used to store a single character like letters, digits, or symbols. For example, char letter with a single quotation A, stored inside single quotes and takes 1 byte. Void means nothing or no data, commonly used in functions that don't return any value. Example, void greet and printf, which will print a hello world. One additional type of data type, the bool type. In modern C, there is also a bool data type available through the header stdbool.h. It stores logical values true or false. For example, has include stdbool.h, bool is valid, which is equal to true. Some insight: each data type uses a different amount of memory, and that depends on the system and compiler. For example, integer value 4 bytes, character value 1 byte, float value 4 bytes, double value 8 bytes. This helps the compiler decide how much memory to allocate when we create a variable. Here's a complete program. A small example showing all these data types in action. Here we have the first heading stdio.h, second heading the stdbool.h. Then we are declaring our main function int main. Then we are declaring our first integer age equal 21. Then our float height equal 5.8. Then we are declaring double weight equal 68.5. Then character grade with a single quotation a. Then boolean value bool past equal true. Then we are printing our age equal %d. Here %d is the format specifier of integer. Then we are printing height equal %f with 1 decimal point. %f is a format specifier for floating point number. Then we are printing weight equal %lf. Our double data type with a 0.2 lf, which is up to 2 digits of decimal point. Then we are printing our grade with %c, format specifier for character. Then we are printing the boolean expression as past equal %d, which is the format specifier for boolean data type. Then we are completing the program. So this program declares different types of variables and displays their values using printf function. So in conclusion, to summarize, data types define what kind of data we can store in a variable. They also decide how much memory is used. The four most common data types are int, float, double, and char. And remember, choosing the right data type keeps our program efficient and accurate. Okay, thank you.